Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one we are drawing Pac-Man.
Yep.
Here we go. So what do we need, Izzy?
We need paper, marker, and some color.
Paper, markers, and some coloring pencils. Okay, some colors. So for this one we are going to start with his eyebrows. Instead of his eyes, I know we usually start with eyes, but this time some eyebrows. So 2 triangular shapes pointing up. Yeah.
Okay.
And now we're going to draw a circle, but it's going to go behind those and it's going to stop here at the bottom. So from there we're going with the circle, going behind there, and comes around and we stop here at the bottom. Yep. And now we draw a little cylinder of a nose. You see that?
Yeah.
And because he's winking, we're going to draw an L-shaped wink. That's actually his eye. And now the other eye is an oval with a bit chunked out of it. Let me show you. And we go in there and come out there, and you can see that's an oval.
Yep.
And now we draw his mouth. His mouth is big. Remember, he's Pac-Man. So big mouth, and bottom part of his mouth also like a big. Here we go. Now we're drawing a tongue shape in here. Yep. And on this side, we are drawing a little shape there, a little rounded shape, because that's where his arm comes out. We draw an arm and a bit of an elbow, bit of a line there, and that way as well. Now you see it looks like an elbow.
Yep.
Now we draw the cuff of his glove.
Okay.
And now watch this. Now we draw a big rounded shape and folds just over there. Now we draw the other shape just coming down and like that. And we close that shape off. Yep. So he's standing with his hands on his hips basically. And we complete the circle up against the glove.
Okay.
On this side, just watch this. On this side, we draw a line like that.
Okay.
And then like that.
Okay.
And we draw slightly up.
Okay.
And we create a line going like that and in. And now on top here we draw a thumb, because he's doing a thumbs up.
Yep.
And now we draw the cuff of the glove.
So you're wondering why I had the idea?
Why do you have the idea for Pac-Man?
Because the new Pac-Man game, they will come out.
So the new Pac-Man game is coming out
Yeah.
soon. Okay.
But we already know Pac-Man repack out, but yeah, other than like Pac-Man.
Yes, so it's a new Pac-Man game. So there's other Pac-Man games out already. Okay, so now Pac-Man has a thumbs up. He's got his other hand on his hip. And now we need to draw 4 lines coming down, because this is going to be his legs. Now we do rounded bottoms to those lines. And we draw a donut around that. See, it looks like his leg is stuck in a donut.
Yep.
And the side as well. Now he's got 2 legs stuck in donuts. And now we draw the foot on the right hand side here by us.
Yeah.
We just draw a big bump and we finish that line with a straight bit at the bottom. Let me see yours. That's correct. And now we draw lines going down to the bump. That's his boot. Okay, so now for his other boot, we're going to draw a bump going outwards because that foot is pointed to the right, to his right, yeah.
Yep.
To our left. And now we bring that back in here, curl it slightly, and we draw another straight bit here. So it looks like the front part of his shoe and the heel of his shoe.
Yeah.
And now we can just draw lines going down. So that's his other boot. And there we have it. That's our main Pac-Man shape.
Yep.
He looks cool. But what do we do now? So since we have the black marker, we need to color in his eye and the inside of his mouth. Okay, so let's just do that with this marker. Yep, that's the Pac-Man eye. I know this chisel tips is gonna get to us. Color this bit in. Okay, I got my mouth and my eyes colored in. And you see we're almost there as well. So I'm putting my marker away for now. How's it going your side? You managing?
Yeah.
Yes, you are. I like the fact that you're being careful there. Nice. And that gets there. Nice. Nice job, Easy. Yep. Let's see. And that's his mouth colored in. So now, Pac-Man is mostly yellow. He's got the red boots. He's got sort of orange gloves, but you can make it red if you want to. And his tongue is also red.
Yeah.
So ready to color?
Yeah.
Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's how Pac-Man. Because there's two of them, do we call it Pac-Man?
No.
No.
Pac-Man.
It's still Pac-Man. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.